Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to extract text from a PDF file. So many of you guys have faced this question that how to extract text from a PDF file. So in this video I'm going to show you guys that. So without wasting more time, let's start the video. Before starting the video, let me show you a demo. So I have a PDF file here in which there is written hello world. So let me run my program. I hope this will extract the text from the PDF file. Okay, it prints success. Let's check the text file. Boom, it's here. So it's working correctly. So without wasting more time, let me show you how to do so. Let's make a Python file named let's say pdf to text.py and make a text file. Let's name it extracted text.txt. Okay, so inside this Python file we will import a Python module called pypdf2. To install it, you guys can simply go to your terminal emulator and then type pip install pypdf2 and it will install it within seconds. I have already installed it, that's why it's showing me requirement is already satisfied. So you guys remember guys to install this, without the program will crash. Now at first we will create a function called extract. I will give a parameter of pdf underscore file. As I'm making this video for beginners, I will not go into details, just follow what I'm doing. Inside that we will open our PDF file and then RB, that is the short form of read binary, as PDF. We opened our PDF file as PDF. Now we can call our PDF file just calling the PDF variable. Let's make another variable that is reader, that is pypdf2 dot pdf file reader. That will take two parameters, that is PDF and then strict equals to false. Let's make a list, that is pdf underscore text, an empty list. Now I'm gonna just read what is in this reader variable. I mean, in this section from here to here I just read whatever in the PDF file is. Now I'm gonna print this, so I'm gonna extract this. So what to do in the next? Now I'm gonna run a for loop to read whatever is in the pages in the extracted text. To do so, for page in reader.pages that will read whatever in the extracted text. Inside this, let's define another variable called content equals to page dot extract text. This function is already inbuilt function in pypdf2, so don't need to define this. And the next step is pdf underscore text dot append content. So basically in this line I'm gonna add whatever is in the content variable, and and then I'm adding those contents inside the empty list, and then return pdf underscore text. That will return the list. Now, as usual, if underscore underscore name equals to underscore underscore double equals to underscore underscore main underscore underscore, then extracted underscore text equals to, I'm calling this function that I defined here, extract, and then give the pdf file path. Now for text in extracted text, so basically in this line I'm iterating through the contents that are in the pdf text list. So in the extracted, for text in extracted text, I'm opening a text file. Let's add the text file path and then give a comma and write w plus. So basically we want to write in this text files, that's why we are using w plus as file, and then file.write text. So in this line we are just iterating through the items in the list, and then we are just writing those items in the text file, and then file.close, that will close the file. And for debugging process, in last we will just print success. So this is our main code. Now let's run the code and see whether it works or not. Okay, so let's run the program. It's showing success, that means there's no bug in our code. Let's check the text file, and boom, we got our text. So in this method you can extract text in the whatever text you got in your pdf file. So this was the main thing of this video. Hope you guys love this, and this, I think you guys will find this helpful. If you guys love this video, then please subscribe our channel, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family to support me to make more content like this, and comment down your thoughts below. So see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.